Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficial, most kind. In this video, we will discuss about artificial intelligence tool. It's an amazing tool which we can use to write different articles, or we can use for different information. Very useful information we can get from this tool. This is totally free, and this is top trending tool in 2023. So let's go to Google. Here I search Chat GPT. Maybe you have heard the name of Chat GPT. So I search here. Here you open it. It's loading, please wait. So you can get any type of information. Here I have to log in. I simply log in it with my Gmail. There I click. Here this is the you can say first interaction of ChatGPT. Here you have type any word, it will provide information. And if you want to make videos on YouTube, you can get a script from this tool. You can write articles. You can write your assignment. Any type of information which do you want to get, you can get from this tool. This is free AI tool, most trending tool in the market. You can use it. Here I search write article on democracy. Here I search, it will write a long article on democracy. Let's see how long it will. It is plagiarism free. We can use it on our blog, and we can use for our daily life. This all about ChatGPT.